This is the FBX drill, the brand new modular drill designed for maximum metal removal rates in aerospace structural component machining. The FBX drill is part of a tooling concept, including the Harvey Ultra 8X and the Harvey End Mill series, specifically designed to increase productivity for these types of applications. Today, we're not focusing on cycle times or on metal removal rates, or this tool over that tool. We're focusing on showing you all the options that this giant drill provides. Quickly removing large amounts of material remains a challenge for these types of components. High feed rates require powerful machines, and large depth of cut, like we see here, creates large radial forces and a high bending moment, which requires machines that are also very rigid. The FBX drill can be the solution for those machines that have the power but not enough rigidity. The flat bottom design eliminates radial forces, while 4 effective cutting edges provide increased feed and speed rates. Aerospace structural parts are usually made from large plates or forgings. The most commonly used material is titanium, like Ti6Al4V, but high-strength stainless steels like 15.5pH are also used for these components. We're going to show you how the FBX drill can be applied on both types of components and materials. In this large plate of 15.5pH stainless steel, we're creating a square pocket and a triangular pocket. Starting with the square pocket, we'll drill into solid material first. Then we'll remove all the remaining material with the Harvey Ultra 8X cutter. After that, we'll create this triangular pocket here. This time, most of the material will be removed with the FBX drill by drilling chain holes and by plunging. Once the drill has created the basic shape of the pocket, the scallops will be removed with the Harvey Ultra 8X cutter. The Harvey 3 Series end mill will then finish the inside walls of both pockets. After that, we're going to switch to this component here. Same 15.5pH stainless steel material, which simulates the typical shape of a forging. A regular drill would simply fail on a workpiece like this. We'll create 3 holes. With the flat bottom design, the FBX drill has no problem with these challenges. Thanks for checking out the FBX drill. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.